The pocket square may not be in every man's blazer chest pocket yet. For those of you out there who've not yet discovered its charm, or need a bit more inspiration on how to make your old rags come alive in your ensembles, we're now happy to show you some different ways how to fold and wear them. Formal pointy fold. This fold is a bit more traditional and works well with a thin, solid white cotton or linen handkerchief for more formal occasions. This fold is easiest to form with the hank lying flat on the table. Start by folding it diagonally, so that the two opposite corners end up next to each other as shown. Fold the first side so its corner aligns with the first 2 points of the fold. Repeat this procedure folding the opposite side. If needed, make the part of the folded hank below the points narrower by folding the sides to fit the width of your jacket pocket. Rich eccentric fold. A somewhat flamboyant, casual fold for big, light fabric weight hanks. Lay your hank flat on the table and lift it, pinching the center of the fabric. Form a loop around the hanging hank with your thumb and index finger to gather the fabric. Fold the bottom third of the cone and then repeat the fold. Form a soft, even cushion in front of the corners. Gently tuck the hank down your pocket and even it out. Flat neat fold. A low-key yet very stylish fold in a less is more spirit. This fold might take a bit of ingenuity, as the way the handkerchief is folded needs to give it a size that harmonizes with the width of the pocket. A smaller handkerchief might just need to be folded once, while a larger one needs to be folded twice. Adjust the length of the folded hank to harmonize with the depth of your pocket, letting the desired amount of your handkerchief show in your pocket. For a more detailed guide on how to fold your pocket square, see the link below.